birdhouse cleanup day.
Can I help?
Yep. Actually, you can reach this. Do you want to come do it? Come on. Okay, I'll hold this up. You got one more screw. You got to kind of put it up at an angle just like it is. And then you got to hold it tight in there. Ready? Uh-oh. Go ahead. All right, good. There we go. So look, we got our birdhouse. What tools do we need to take the other one off and to hang up the new one?
We need a glue.
Yep. And we need the little L bracket, but that's already on the bird post. All right, are you ready? Can you carry that over?
Yeah.
All right. Try, it's heavy.
That's light.
Oh, really? All right, Muscles, let's go. Sorry about the snow. Ready? It's gonna go way up. You'll have to come up on the hill a little bit. Just be careful where you're stepping. Ready? Can you hit the trigger?
No.
No, too high?
Yeah.
How about you take the birdhouse?
Yeah.
Here's the screw. And I have to be careful because it has a vine. Here, you take the drill for me. And we're gonna take this clematis off for a little bit. Yay! And the birds are gonna get a new home. Ready? This is a bracket.
Do you have all the screws?
Yeah, so here, let's take this. Okay, hold that. So now we're gonna
I got
take
a
our,
screw.
yep. Now we're gonna take our L bracket and secure it to the bottom of this so we can put it onto the post when we're done.
Want me to do it?
The sun is reflecting off the snow really bright. All right, you ready? All we have to do is attach it to the post. And this is the only time we can walk in our gardens, huh? Because there's still snow. And it's still frozen. Ready? The holes are already there. It should be an easy fix. All right, you ready?
Ready, screws.
Ready? Okay. Look, look. Blakey's gonna do birdhouse. Ready? You gotta push really hard. Nope, hang on. Wait, wait, wait. We'll hold it. Ready? Go. Good.
Good.
Got the top one? Ready, Emma? Okay. Got it.
The birdhouse is done.
The birdhouse is done. Now, hopefully we get some birds, right? We have to
make a birdhouse.
We have to be good landlords.
But we need to get a haircut so our hair can make a perfect nest.
Yes, we can use our hair. We can use the dog's hair.
Oh.
Did you know that?
That too?
Yes, we can use the dog's hair.
But where is it snow that it would, like, no way.
Maybe. Maybe they wouldn't like that.
Yeah.
Yes. All done? Are we all done? All right, good job.